Hello friends, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome back to my shop. We discovered another need as we hear from our customers making bowls from boards with our new Easy Cut system, as well as some traditional segmented turners. That is, they're looking for an affordable way to flatten their rings easily and efficiently. Not everyone has a drum sander or a thickness planer. Some folks use a shop-made disc sander with mixed results. Allow me to introduce our solution, the new lathe-mounted disc sander. We searched for a suitable material that wouldn't flex or come apart and settled on 5/8 inch thick HDPE because it is stable and it won't flex during use. Its smooth surface accepts the PSA 80 grit discs beautifully, and when it's time to change discs, any residue cleans off easily with any solvent that you already have in your shop. We use one of our heavy-duty faceplates so it'll thread directly onto your lathe spindle. HDPE won't delaminate or warp like plywood. It won't dissolve like MDF due to moisture or humidity. HDPE isn't susceptible to moisture or heat under normal use. You need to store it flat on its face and it will never warp. I torture tested our lathe-mounted disc sanders in my own shop, trying to overheat it, trying to tear the disc loose from the backing, and basically wreck the lathe-mounted disc sander any way I could. Even when forcing a 3x3 inch piece of black walnut hard into the disc, it didn't even blink. I'm sure someone will figure out a way to destroy it, but I couldn't. Are you ready to go? Yeah. I designed the lathe-mounted disc sander for one specific application, to flatten rings quickly and efficiently, and it does that with room to spare. I think you'll find our new lathe-mounted disc sander well worth the money. We offer two sizes currently, 12 inch and 16 inch. If you have a larger lathe, pick the one you want and match it to your lathe spindle. Those with smaller lathes should choose the 12 inch size. A note of caution. This is 80 grit industrial abrasive. If you touch it with your fingers or your hands while it's spinning, injury will result. Be careful, use light pressure and a relatively slow RPM. Keep your fingers away from the moving abrasive and use a firm grasp. Protect your fingers and hands.